Hey, I love this hair. I don't know how many times or how many ways I can say I love this hair. So this is my Brazilian body wave from Hair Inc. Atlanta, and I made the unit and I don't want to take it off. This hair is so good, I wish I would have sewn it in and I could just sleep in it and just keep it on. But it feels good, it looks good. I love it. I have the only drawback I have about this hair, I cannot get it black. Now, I'm not a professional stylist and I don't color hair at all, but I was thinking, it couldn't be that hard. I colored this hair twice and it still looks like a number 2. I don't know if you can tell, but when I take pictures and post them, you'll be able to see that it's not black, because I like jet black hair. And so it looks like it's two-tone there, because it's like some of it took a little bit and some of it didn't. And I colored it twice. The closure piece that I have is the same Remy Saga closure that I had in previous videos. I'm wearing this piece to death. And I got it flat because at first it was kind of sticking up, but I got it to lay down with this new product that's new to me that I am in love with, that is supposed to help really with, blending your hair. It's a wax stick. It's by Remy. It does wonders. And I actually put some on my edges the other day because I have some ancient mama edges. They will fight anybody, like gel, spritz, setting lotion, edge control. Don't work on me. It'll work for like 30 minutes and then my hair start fighting. It'll start squishing back up. And it's like, seriously? But I put this on and I don't have no issues with it. So hopefully this won't start off good and then end bad. My hair get used to it and then it don't want to use it, don't want to work with it no more. But this hair is soft. And this is the natural state. I just shampooed it. And this is what it looks like. And it's pretty much dry. It's a little dampness to it, but it's not terrible. It's dry. And see how bouncy it is and how flowy it is. The feel is good. It's not itchy. Because sometimes when you have longer hair and you have it down on your neck and your shoulders, it's itching. It's not itchy. I have the center part right now. But let me show you what it looks like on the side. So, and I always wear a side part, so I'm really kind of feeling this center part right now too. This is 2.5 bundles. There was a little mess up when I ordered my hair. They sent me 3 bundles, but the 3rd bundle, it wasn't a full bundle. It was like half the length of the other 2 bundles. So they were really professional. They refunded me for that half bundle back. And I just used the 2.5 bundles that I had. And to me, it looks good. I love it. I like it in the center. Let me center it back. So I'm going to turn around. This is again the 16-inch. And then eventually, I like it like this right now, but I will flat iron it eventually. And I'll do it on camera so y'all can see how it transitions from the body wave to the flat iron. And I just put this on. It's just washed. My closure is wet. Like I didn't curl it or anything to blend with the hair. So just don't mind that part. But the hair is fantastic. Like, this is some of the best hair that I've ever had. In addition to being the most expensive that I've paid for hair. But I'm going to keep this hair a while and I love it. But here's a full view. The wig is pretty full. I love it. I have no complaints. I love the hair. I'm satisfied with the company. I just wish they were local. That's the only thing. I have to order it from Atlanta. But other than that, this hair is great. I recommend anybody. Like if you're looking for, and it doesn't even shed. Like even when I was washing it, and I dyed it twice, back to back. I didn't blow dry it. I let it air dry. I did put some conditioner in it, but since I've had, I did not cut the tracks when I put it. I don't know if that contributed to it not shedding, but this hair did not shed at all. So that's another plus. Tomorrow is going to be my first day I'm actually going to wear it out, but hopefully it'll stay looking like this, and I'll post some pictures of what it looks like tomorrow at the end of this video. So hopefully this was a good enough review for those inquiring about this hair company or this hair. I'm satisfied, and I'm hard to please with hair, and I don't never spend that much money on hair, but this one I feel like was an investment, and I'm so happy I did it. If I can only just get it to color black. If anybody has any suggestions, if I may have done something wrong with this hair to get it black because it's still brown to me, just let me know. Thank you for watching.